Hello students, once again welcome to all of you. Myself SS Raite from KTHM College Nasik, Department of Commerce, FY BCom class semester 2nd. Our subject is Essential of E-Commerce 2nd. Today we are discuss the topic syllabus and the basic of e-commerce. So let us start. First of all, we will see objective of the course. First is to understand the concept of electronic data interchange. Next, to learn about standard and types of EDI. To get information about merit and limitation of EDI. Next is to develop knowledge on various modes of online transaction for creating convenience in day-to-day financial transaction and promoting cashless economy. And next, to introduce the learner to the concept of electronic data interchange and its significance. Okay. Students, in second semester there are 4 units. We will discuss the syllabus of this second semester. First unit is electronic data interchange. In this unit, first concept, types, merit, limitation of paper brand business, and we will see area, group of business, steps to start EDI, EDI standard, types of EDI file, EDI and internet, merits of EDI and limitations of EDI. So this is the syllabus of unit number 1, electronic data interchange. Next, unit 2nd, commerce process and payment solution. In this unit, we will see concept of payment solution and their need, internet access solution, areas of solution, solution provider. Next, we will see online commerce solution, its essential of good solution technologies. Next, standard for e-commerce, e-service, e-solution and e-business solution, etc. Next point, shopping cart software. Next point, merchant account, its feature, digital receipt for online payment. Next point, we will see payment system and devices, cyber cash. And last is features, utility, credit card, smart card, feature, utility, trade and securities and internet currency. So this is the syllabus of unit 2nd. Next, unit 3, e-commerce security. In this unit, first point, need of e-commerce security. Next, cyber crime and its resources of privacy. Next point is proxy server system and encryption, type of security and security precautions. Next, cryptogram, data encryption standard and certificate authority and ensuring. Next point is electronic security. In this contain the e-locking services, public key infrastructure firewall, secure and socket layer secure electronic transaction. So this is the syllabus of unit number 3rd. Next is unit number 4, business oriented e-commerce. In this unit, first point, features of B2B e-commerce, business model. Next is e-procedure, virtual market, and also we will see the collaborative supply chain management and intercompany integration, and also the B2B e-commerce communication, etc. So this is the syllabus of unit number 4. Now we will start unit number 1st, electronic data interchange. First, introduction. Electronic data interchange, it means EDI, is the direct computer to computer exchange between organization or companies of a standard business transaction document such as invoice, bill of lading, purchase order, etc. EDI is a fast, reliable and accurate system for exchanging business document with external entities that do business together. Students, EDI stands for Electronic Data Interchange. So what is a EDI? EDI is a technology that helps trading partner and organization get more done, speed up logistic timeline and eliminate manual error by automating business to business communication. And EDI helps many organizations that produce, ship, purchase and sell good or provide care from retailer and manufacturer to logistic firm, airline, healthcare provider, insurer and more. Okay. So, electronic data interchange is the automated computer to computer exchange of standard electronic business document between business partner over a secure standardized connection. Okay. Next is the definition of EDI. EDI is a standard format for exchanging business data. Another definition is EDI is a set of protocol for conducting electronic business over computer network. Okay. So, electronic data interchange is the computer to computer exchange of standard electronic business document between the business partner over a secure standard connection. This is a definition of EDI, is the most important definition for the exam point of view. Okay. So students, today we have discussed the syllabus of e-commerce for second semester and also we have started the unit number first, electronic data interchange. Thank you.